In this segment, we're going to be talking about how to get a pizza into the oven and how to bake it properly so you get the ideal cooked crust with the perfectly melted cheese and toppings on top. We have the pizza here on the peel. Now this is a real tricky situation because if the pizza sticks to this peel while you're putting it in the oven, all your efforts are for naught. One thing I talked about was sauce, and we dripped a little bit on the peel over here. It's a very easy way to get rid of that. First you wipe it off, make sure there's none under the pizza, sprinkle a little flour on top of it, and just rub it in. And that's all you need to do. The pizza should slide back and forth on the peel, but it's not. So we need to take a look at it and maybe blow a little bubble of air underneath. Believe it or not, that loosens it right up. What you want to do is preheat your oven to 500 degrees. If you're doing this at home, you're going to want to get a pizza stone. You can pick them up at any major cooking place. Kitchen Capers, I'm sure, has them. A lot of other places. Place that stone in the oven, preheat it to 500 degrees, then you're ready to put your pizza in. So what we're going to do here, since we have the professional ovens, we're going to open the oven, again making sure that our pizza slides back and forth. We're going to take the pizza peel and we're going to place it into the oven. Right in front there. We're then going to angle the peel slightly up and just shake the pizza off ever so gently. If you find that it's not perfectly round after you've put it in the oven, you can reach in, pinch the dough, and just give it a little tug. A little tug here, a little tug there. Won't hurt anything. When you're done, close the oven up and set a timer. In my kitchen here, we have a whole lot of digital timers. You don't have to get one this fancy, anyone will do. We're going to set it for 5 minutes, start it, and we'll check the pizza then.